Here's how to properly clean any Apple Watch. Whether you are using the Series 9, 10, 11, SE or the Apple Watch Ultra. First, make sure your Apple Watch is powered off and removed from the charger. If possible, take off the band so the watch body and strap can be cleaned separately. Start with the watch body by using a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth. Slightly dampen the cloth with clean water and gently wipe the front, back, sides and edges. If you see stubborn fingerprints, sunscreen, sweat or grime, use a tiny drop of mild, fragrance-free soap on the cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals, alcohol, abrasive materials and compressed air, as these can damage any Apple Watch model including the Ultra. If your digital crown feels sticky or doesn't rotate smoothly, clean it under light, warm running water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Rotate and press the crown while the water flows to loosen any trapped dust or lotion. When done, dry the watch thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. This method is safe for all models. For the side button, simply wipe around it with the same damp cloth. If the dirt is stuck in the crevices, use a soft brush like a clean toothbrush or a camera lens brush and gently work around the edges. Never use anything sharp or metallic. The speaker requires delicate cleaning. Do not poke it, brush it or blow air inside. Instead, gently wipe the grill with a dry cloth. Then enable water lock by swiping up and tapping the water droplet icon. Press the digital crown to eject water and tiny particles from the speaker. This is the safest method approved for all Apple Watch models. To wash your silicone Apple Watch strap, start by removing it from the watch. Rinse the band under clean, lukewarm water to remove dust, sweat or loose debris. Then take a small amount of mild, fragrance-free soap and gently rub it along the strap using your fingers. For stubborn dirt or stains, use a soft brush like a clean toothbrush and scrub lightly without applying too much pressure. Once the strap looks clean, rinse it thoroughly to remove all soap residue. Pat it dry with a soft cloth, then let it air dry completely before attaching it back to your Apple Watch. Avoid hot water, harsh chemicals, bleach or abrasive scrubbing, as these can damage the silicone or cause discoloration. This method works for all Apple Watch silicone and sports bands, including third-party ones. Once everything is clean, make sure both the watch and the band are completely dry before attaching them back together. This prevents moisture from getting trapped near the connectors or sensors. And that's it. Your Apple Watch, whether it is a Series 3 to Series 11 or the Ultra 2, will look fresh, clean and like new. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe and ask any questions down in the comments.